Yes, ready? This is at the rate of 80 words per minute. Yes. Start. Honorable Chairperson, I wish to draw your kind attention to an issue relating to the tardy implementation of the National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme in some of the states of the country. Sir, the National Rural Employment Guarantee Bill was passed in both the Houses of Parliament. Later on, after the Honorable President of India gave his assent to this bill, it becomes an Act of Parliament. Para, sir, this is a historic act. It provides employment opportunities to the rural people, especially the agricultural labor, artisans, and the people who are living below the poverty line. I must say, sir, that millions of people in the country are going to be benefited under this scheme. For this, I wish to compliment the Honorable Prime Minister, the Honorable Minister for Rural Development, and also all the honorable members of both houses for translating this dream into a reality. Para, sir, if we look at the situation prevailing in our country, we find that a lot of people, especially the people belonging to the scheduled castes, the scheduled tribes, the backward classes, and the people belonging to minority communities, especially living in rural areas, are not getting employment during the monsoon season. When the monsoon season is not there, the agricultural activity is not carried out in the rural areas for one reason or the other. It is at this time that people migrate to cities in search of employment. Sir, we find that in the urban areas, these people get some employment either in the construction industry or in the household activities. This has resulted in exodus of people taking place from rural areas to urban areas. I am of the view that if we have to arrest this kind of a migration of the people, we will have to create employment opportunities in the rural areas itself. Now, under the National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, these people are getting assured employment. It is a welcome step. The government of India has brought out the guidelines for implementation of this scheme. Under this scheme, money is given to the states by the central government. The state government is the implementing authority. It is the responsibility of the states to identify the beneficiaries in their states. The beneficiaries are then issued a job card. On the basis of this employment for 100 days in a year is assured for the man or women. Stop and over.